Let's make something different. In this episode, I'm gonna show you how to emboss using fabric and a needle in order to have beautiful junk journal covers and original ephemeras, probably like you never saw before on the internet. If you love slow stitching and if you have great ideas to make fabric journals, to make little needle books, you are going to love today's idea. This is Maria here. Welcome to my channel, and I'm gonna show you how to emboss little treasures that you probably have in little boxes around your house, on your stash, waiting for you to have a place to put them. So stay till the end because you're gonna love this video. And as soon as you finish watching, I'm pretty sure you're gonna run into your stash and grab a piece of cotton, a treasure you have, needle and thread. Don't go away. The most common embossing technique occurs when creating a paper craft design using paper, an embossing machine, or an embossing powders. Starting today, I am proposing to do your embossing using fabric. The technique is simple. It is like making a sandwich in which the bread is the fabric and the cheese is the object you want to emboss. And probably you're asking yourself, what is the object that I'm going to be using to emboss? It is very simple. We usually keep little treasures and little objects that you or me we have been collecting through the years, and they just lie inside a box or a treasure box in our stash. So today is the moment to take them out and do something really, really cool with them. And of course, I'm pretty sure you're going to probably find something interesting. And as you can see here, the technique is super easy. I am embossing a wooden bead. It has a little hole in the center, so I'm gonna make sure that when I completed the whole process, I'm gonna go ahead and go in the center and make the detail for that little hole or that little pit over there. And as you can see, you just need to do all the perimeter of the figure or the circumference in this case with your needle. I'm using fabric that doesn't stretch too much, it's cotton, and of course, I'm using white thread. If you like slow stitch and making a lot of fabric journals and clothing journal and needle books, you definitely are going to love this technique. And I'm pretty sure you're going to be using it everywhere. So let me know in the comments down below if you try, what is your result, and what do you think about the technique in the end, and what objects you think you're gonna be treasuring and having embossed in all your embellishments, in all your covers, in your cards, in your tags, everywhere in your creations. And as you can see here, I embossed already a button and also a little purse from a doll. So I'm gonna keep moving in different videos, doing different embossings of different objects. So I want to give you more options and more ways for you to get ideas in order to have this embossing project. So stay to the end in this video so you're going to see the result. So don't miss any of my videos, and always remember to subscribe and to leave me a comment. I love to read everything you write to me in the comments down below. And of course, leave me a thumbs up if you think that the content of this video is interesting, is new, and you like to implement this idea. In the next episode, I'm going to be making a cover, but this is just an idea of how this fabric might look on top of one of your journals. So this is the result so far. I see you soon, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next episode. Bye friends. Bye bye.